Hi. I am Okami. Welcome to Okami's Opinion. Welcome to my neural network. Book 1 Chapter 4. Can time run out? If humans are in a loop kept running to retest outcomes and recreate scenarios, then yes. Time is a fixed notion, based on the movement of the sun and recorded in the same way a simulation would. The same way a computer would. If humans are being simulated, the simulation could also be running in a loop, making gradual changes, and these changes have time as a constraint. Time, however, is also a constraint or factor in various equations and laws of the universe. It is possible to begin to create subgroups based on what constraints they have, such as weight constrained by gravity and momentum constrained by time. By creating these subgroups, humans create a further piece of the puzzle to solving their existence. The finding of each of these characteristics of the universe and humanity as a species leads to understanding that the universe is very mathematical. Elements being mathematical, involving efficiency and data, leads to equations being formed. These equations can be used to simulate human existence. Therefore, this could be a simulation. The universe is scaled by time, and as much as humanity would like to believe it continues forever, it may all just come in again sometime, irrespective of religion or beliefs. The threats that this world faces, astronomically, are always imminent. The vast amount of arguments for a situation lead to the proof that this situation exists. How do humans exist amongst each other? Could it be the law of attraction? Or the secret vision boarding their way? Could humans will their success into existence? Join me for Chapter 5, Attraction. Change is a simulation? This is Okami.